Laid back with a fat ass, watch it bounce. You know the facts, after I smash, I bounce. We don't fake flex, we just chase checks that don't bounce. Break necks, want that bass hit, let it bounce. Bankroll, yeah, bounce it for that bankroll, yeah. Bankroll, yeah, bounce it for that bankroll, yeah. Bankroll, yeah, bounce it for that bankroll, yeah. Bankroll, yeah, bounce it for.
What up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. UPS just dropped off a pretty big package to my doorstep. I've actually been expecting it from one of my sponsors, and I wanted you guys to be part of the unboxing. So, let's go. Hey, Max. Everybody, this is Max. Max, say hello. We got a package to open, bro. So I just brought it up. This thing is freaking huge. You guys can have some guesses on what it is. It's a pretty damn big package. Box is over 6 feet tall. Alright folks, from that time lapse you guys just saw, so pretty much I got from EnforcedAero, who's my sponsor, I got a custom splitter and side skirts. But the beautiful thing about these side skirts are the custom winglets, just for the Hulk right here. That shit is fire. You know what I mean? Got my witness right here, my road dog Max, checking it out with me. And it's matching on the splitter too. Super aggressive. Super aggressive. Really glad you guys could be part of this. This thing is freaking dope. It's gonna look so sick on the hull. What'd you say, Max? Yeah? What'd you say? All right. You don't care. Got it. Alright guys, so it is freaking, it might not look it, but it is freezing today. It's a really cold day, and I just cleaned up the floor of the garage because to do the splitter, we're going to be doing the splitter first, and then the side skirts will come at another video at another time. Got the garage cleaned up, got my work lights ready, and we're about to take this shit to school. This is going to come out real nice. Alright guys, I don't have to explain, you gotta actually put the car up on some ramps and take the bumper off again. Let me see, my last video, video prior to the last video, I showed you guys how to take the bumper off. I'll just do a quick time lapse to it again. It's very easy, and once you take the bumper off, I'll be placing the bumper up here where we can do all the measurements and whatnot and get the splitter on. So I will see you guys in a bit. Here we go.
It's a love letter to me. Got me feeling like Trippy.
Alright, we're in the garage on the ramps. Just got to electronically disconnect these fog light bezels. Disconnect the bumper. Time for a little surgery. Here we go.
I'ma keep sipping real fast, hoping that I can relax. Why you always hacking into my frontal lobe? Ain't no fear with my energy, I build up strong. Got it, but can only keep you out for so long. I know you're bad for me, I should've been focused on me. But I was too caught up on you. Should've been focused on me.
So this is a mock-up of how it's gonna look. I had to bring it outside because even though I had some decent space inside, still a little cramped in there. So I just gotta line this bad boy up, drill a couple holes, pop it in. Also the support rods I gotta put in too. All right, here we go. Just a heads up, guys, they give you perfect instructions of what exactly you need for the installation. Examples, what type of drill bits to use, etc. Don't sweat it.
Noodle in the pot, best dollar we spent. But now it's time to do me, cause you was out doing you. In the crib waiting for you, but you never came through. Nights alone, I fight the cold shoulder I get from you when you finally get home. Hide your phone while it constantly goes off. Don't even bone no more, guess I'm a jerk off. Numb the pain with a perk and just doze off. Left my heart open for you, now it's just closed off. Now focus on me, focus on this green. The grass is better on the other side, yes I agree. Maybe I go back to college, maybe bump my degree. Up, feet up, now I'm relaxing, just passing time. Me, but I was too caught up on you. Should've been focused on me, but I was too caught up on you,
Alright, so the inside is all buttoned up, nice and even, OCD. Let's see how this bad boy looks on the outside. Shoot. This thing looks sick. Sexy right here. Whew, official. Official. Just gonna button up the support rods now to it and put them back on the car. Here we go. Alright, y'all, it's freaking late, obviously. Check this out. I lost a lot of light, but what I ended up having to do was I ended up going and getting a bunch of washers and spaced everything out evenly. So I undid the entire thing after you guys saw that time lapse, and I went and I spaced everything out nice and even so I could really make it tight without bending the form of the bumper too much. And let me just button this back up, and then I still got to put on the support rods. Here we go.
Let's skip all the details. I just wanna roll with a 10, start all over again. Let's skip all the details.
All right, people, splitter is on. It's nice and neat. I actually test fitted it twice on here. The first time it didn't fit because some of the long bolts were obstructing that black intercooler support right there, and it wasn't fitting at all. So I had to pull it back off, flip around a couple screws, and the second time it worked. Now I just got to do the support rods, and that's it. Hold on. All right, folks, so what I did was I used my license plate delete as a point of reference, and on the ends of it you see me put the frog tape vertically to get some straight lines. And then what I did was I used other pieces of tape and worked outward to angle my support rods better. Also, speaking of the support rods, I do think, in my opinion, it is very good to get them because it definitely keeps that front midsection of the splitter nice and sturdy, along with being bolted on. And with the support rods, what you can do is you can tighten it if you want to slightly angle that midsection up a bit, depending on how low the car is, in case you have it on coils or bags or whatnot. It's all depending on your application, but I think it's a great choice. You'll see.
Giving up on love. You told me go straight in myself, but baby I can't adjust. Starting today, we're floating away. Well, look at my face, how could you betray trust that we made? Wait, that just isn't the case now. Bobby Boucher won't let me play. She want me rocking the sideline. Fuck who you say, I ain't gonna stay. I'm a star, I'm used to the limelight. I don't really care where you been, who your friends, who your man. Let's get all the details. I just wanna roll with a 10, start all over again. Let's get all the details. We ain't gotta dig too deep, let's stay at the surface. Girl, I got a purpose.
Alright, so there you have it. Drilled into the bumper yet again, and my brand new splitter. But everything is perfect. I used this freaking frog tape, which was great to get the lines, and my measuring stick and my eyeballs. Nice. So that's pretty much it. About to connect this bad boy up. I gotta connect the supporting rods in the back, put all the bolts and washers in like these, and gotta put that bumper back on. It's getting freaking late. Alright.
She's spilling Riesling on my ass and jeans. I'm spilling feelings when it's time to leave. Cause the frame fit perfect, it's a masterpiece. And I ain't had the balls to pass it and release it. Too many bitches trying to creep in. Too many bitches trying to sleep in. I just wanna lick it on a weekend. I'm repeating till I fall in the deep end.
When the moonlight hitting, the curves look so different. The urge, I can't kill it. Emerge from my feelings like Percocet. Haven't felt nervous yet. I like a turtleneck. Baby, you make me sweat. Yeah, we on. Hop up on the LIE, then we gone. Leave behind your jealousy, cause I'm a dawn. Never have vanilla bean. This strong white chocolate make you fall in love.
Chardonnay, one glass, wash the pain away. Wanna taste you every day. My reason to celebrate. I sip your pink Chardonnay. Nothing else I'd rather taste. Whatever you want, tell me I'll cooperate. Pink Chardonnay, let's celebrate. Pink Chardonnay, pink Chardonnay.
Yeah. Shit is freaking fly. That shit came out freaking dope. Perfect. About to put this shit back on. Nice.
As our views keep on corresponding, emotions are bound to come. I can feel the vibes around me. Come and surf up in the sun. The wave that we ride is choppy, ride is choppy. It's time to live in the moment. So keep that thing waves in motion. Mesmerizing, you notice. I leave it all in the open. It's time to live in the moment. So keep that thing waves in motion. Mesmerizing, you notice. I leave it all in the open. All in the open.
Purchase your tracks today.
Pink Chardonnay, let's celebrate.
Alright fam, take a look at this. Came out freaking delightful. EnforcedAero, I will tell you, they make a damn good freaking product. Really dope product. And these custom winglets are so freaking dope, man. Just finished putting this bumper back on. It was a little bit, not a pain in the ass, but now there's so much stuff going on with the lip, the splitter, oh man, the wiring. And that's pretty much it, folks. I'm gonna take it down and show you guys tomorrow morning. I'll take it down. It's freaking too late. It's freaking, shoot, it's like 5 to 10. I've been charging at this all day because you gotta take your time if you want to get it right. Looks great though.
Vibes around me, vibes around me, vibes around me, vibes around me. Pink Chardonnay, let's celebrate. Pink Chardonnay, pink Chardonnay, pink Chardonnay, let's celebrate. Pink Chardonnay.
Alright people, this bad boy is warming up right here. Shit, you can hear that. Just want to show you the end result. Look how freaking beautiful that custom winglet is. This thing came out flawless. Took a little bit of time, but put some hard work into anything. And I even dropped the sticker in there, nice and even, just with my eyeballs. Beautiful piece, guys. Beautiful piece. Guys, definitely this is part 1 of 2 in this series. First is the splitter. Next is the side skirts I'll be doing. Definitely like, subscribe, drop some feedback in the comments, guys. Most definitely EnforcedAero, they really make a great product. You can use my name Wicked Whips on their website for a pretty decent discount as well. Definitely check them out. EnforcedAero. Beautiful. Can't go wrong. All right, guys. I will be seeing you guys soon. Peace.